High-end TVs have always carried a ridiculous price premium, and for the longest time, they didn't offer enough benefits to justify the price. However, the S95C comes close to outshining its high price tag. This TV combines Samsung's brilliant quantum dot technology with a fantastic OLED panel for the ultimate experience. It's still utterly expensive, but it would have been even pricier a couple of years ago. For enthusiasts looking for a cinematic experience, it has a lot to offer. The S95C built upon the strength of its predecessor, the S95B, by offering even higher peak brightness. It achieves this feat through a combination of hardware and software advancements, making it a great choice for rooms with lots of natural light, or even for those who enjoy watching HDR content in brightly lit environments. Design-wise, the S95C follows the minimalist trend Samsung is known for. The bezels are practically non-existent, creating a near bezel-less look that keeps the focus on the stunning picture. The TV is built slim and sleek, making it a welcome addition to any modern living space. Now, let's cut to the heart of the matter: picture quality. The reason this TV is so impressive is because it combines beautiful OLED panels with cutting-edge quantum dot QD technology. OLED panels are great for their perfect blacks and contrast ratio, but a bit limited in terms of peak brightness. That's where quantum dots come in. These tiny particles act like color filters, enhancing the brightness and color reproduction of the LEDs. The QD layer sits on top of the OLED panel, resulting in perfect blacks with higher peak brightness than traditional OLED TVs. Of course, you can't solve every problem that comes with OLED panels. Some OLED panels are prone to burn-in, a permanent discoloration of the pixels caused by static images displayed for too long. While it's not as big of an issue with modern OLED panels, you'll want to be hesitant leaving a static desktop on this TV if you're hooking it up to a TV. Another area where the S95C stands out is gaming. With its near instantaneous response time and support for features like variable refresh rate, the S95C offers a buttery smooth gaming experience. Gamers will also appreciate the inclusion of multiple HDMI 2.1 ports, allowing for high-resolution gaming up to 4K 120 FPS. The HDR experience is also remarkable. Even without local dimming, it manages near-perfect lighting zone transitions because of the phenomenal contrast ratio. There's no distracting blooming here, and you get deep uniform blacks and bright highlights as a result. Reflection handling is also great. With all that said, there's a lot of competition at the higher end of the market. Sony A95L OLED, for example, is arguably a better TV for home theaters. It supports more HDR formats and has even more accurate color tuning. Unfortunately, it's significantly more expensive. For the vast majority of people, the S95C is the more practical choice because of its value. Overall, this TV is fantastic for almost any use case. If you want a high-end gaming experience, great HDR content, and fantastic colors, then this is the one to get. Just be wary of using it with a PC because of burn-in issues. To sum up, what I like is the superb contrast level, the phenomenal HDR performance, the great gaming performance, and the uniform picture quality. On the downside, it is expensive, and there's a slight risk of burn-in. Ratings: brightness, 9 out of 10. Contrast, 10 out of 10. Colors, 9.5 out of 10. Gaming performance, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10.